Well guys, welcome back to the studio, and we have some exciting news to share with everyone. And I'm sure those of you who are following me on my social media platforms on Instagram, Facebook, have realized or have noticed the reel that we put out that I have become part of the Vector Optics team. So Vector Optics have kindly sent me a brand new pair of their rangefinder binoculars out of their Paragon range, and today we are going to be unboxing them. So super excited for this, guys. I have followed Vector for some time now, and I've got one of their sub-brand products on my beautiful 375 Zastava. And if you want to go and check that out, it's a red dot sight. Head on over to the video on the YouTube channel. So let's get into this, guys. It's got awesome packaging. Really done nicely. So we're opening up the box here, guys, and what's in the box? So what you'll get in the box is an awesome cleaning patch for your binoculars, great clip on the side, and then everything like everyone needs is a strap. So really normal basic neck strap. I use a harness because obviously I want to protect the binoculars as much as possible. When you're crashing through the South African bush, I think the harnesses protect them better, that they're not swinging around, bumping and scratching and getting damaged. But a basic strap, and then in the box you've got a pouch which is belt ready like most, all branded Vector Optics, and in there is the magic. So let's have a look at these, guys. First appearance, absolutely solid, rugged, fully rubber coated all the way around. It has your caps for the front and your eyepiece protection at the back. Just the eyepieces are really great. They turn in nice and smoothly. Everything feels nice and tight. There's nothing loose. It just all around feels like a great pair of binoculars branded in their awesome logo, Vector Optics. So as I said, guys, this is just an unboxing video, and hopefully you get to stay tuned with us on what we're going to be putting these things through, as I'm going to be doing loads of hunting this year. Testing these out, testing the rangefinder out. It goes up to 2,500 yards. From what I know, I haven't used these. Super simple. This is your ranging button. This is your program button. You can change it through a bunch of settings. From what I've read, it has 9 different reticles to choose from. And it also, I think it has 9 different brightness settings. I could, be corrected on that. But as I say, this is just the unboxing video, and there will be a full review on these coming soon. So stay tuned on the YouTube channel, and if you're interested in any of our other videos, head through the channel and have a look there and see what else we've got in store. So till later, guys. Cheers.